What's up, guys? Welcome to Mike It Yourself, and today is Review Wednesday. Today's video is going to be pretty short because there's not a whole lot to say about the product as far as its durability or anything like that. It's pretty straightforward, and I just want to show it to you. So let's talk about what we're reviewing today. Damn it! Alright guys, for today's video what we want to talk about is the Kemimoto touring motorcycle cover that I did a video about 2 months or so ago, and shared with you kind of the things I liked about it, and I just want to kind of bring it back and show you kind of how well it's done over the last couple of months. And I gotta say, I'm really impressed. I like it a lot. This is a much bigger, it accommodates a large size bike. So of course this is a Road Glide that's under here. What I don't have is like a King Tourer Pack or anything like that. So because of that reason, there's a lot more bag per se. And it's been doing a phenomenal job. This has done a great job of keeping my bike out of the weather. Because of the additional slack, there are some drawstrings, but I find it easier just to use some clips to gather up the additional stuff, and that's because I have this grass line here, and this guy right there is my worst pain point. He gets my paint all the time, and it's hard water, so I hate that. One of the big call-outs was the antenna being able to protrude through with this Velcro, and even with that, you know, this opening, it has protected the bike from the water very, very well. I'm super impressed with this. So it's done a great job. As far as the cinching and uncinching, I haven't had to adjust that because, again, I don't have a Tourer Pack or anything that I'm removing, taking off, other than a backrest, and that doesn't take up enough space for me to have to address that. But yeah, it's been great. I've had zero problems, and it's maintained its color very well. So if you look at my other cover here, not so much the black, but the red is very faded. This is a much cheaper cover than this one. So overall, this was a huge win. So guys, like I said, the Kemimoto touring cover, it's a definite win. It's done a great job. If this thing lasts me, you know, over a year, I'll be super, super excited, just because, I mean, for the price you pay, and if you renew it just because of sun damage or whatever, that's not such a big deal, at least not to me, because, you know, it's going to do the job, and it makes my life a ton easier, especially with my vehicles out in the elements, being rained on, the sun shining on them. It prevents it from getting kind of, you know, faded, whatever, on the hand controls, that kind of stuff. So definitely recommend. And if anything changes in the future, I'll be more than happy to bring it to you, so that way y'all know. But until that does happen, or if it ever does happen, Kemimoto, great job, great product. I hope that helps you. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up. If you enjoy my content, become a subscriber. And if you don't want to miss out on that next video, hit the notification bell. And until that video does post, I hope to see you in the win.